Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan. In this video we're going to break down how I was able to profit over $500 today in the stock market. It's going to be January the 23rd, and we traded a couple different things. I actually swung Gush from last night, which is an ETF for a gas exploration. So it kind of tracks /CL, which is the light crude oil futures. And although it wouldn't trade exactly the same, I didn't like how it opened this morning. It had, and luckily I did see the pattern and I got out and it sold off from entry, but I made entry last night at, let's just pull it up. Made entry last night at 11:36. So that would have been right here at this line right here, and I closed it this morning at 11:51. No, sorry about that. And I closed it this morning at 11:51. So I was sitting here watching it, see if it was going to take off today, and I closed it right through here. And as you can see, it wasn't trading like how I wanted to trade this morning. I got out of my position. I still made a profit, and I was able to, take advantage of some other trades, which led me to be profitable today instead of riding this thing down. So we made a good idea. I thought this thing should have pushed up above 12 quite early if CL was going to push, and it didn't. I looked for an exit, which is still profitable, and it sold off. So we also traded DGAS and UGAS today. So you can see DGAS had a big day. It had a big breakout. So these are 5-minute candles. So I made a total of 2 DGAS trades and 2 UGAS trades. And so overall we are, let's pull this back over here. So overall today we are profitable $576.03, and overall for the month we're currently up $2,228. So can't complain at all. I'm really happy with the overall account growth. We're currently up over 109% in the last 2.5 months. So at 2.5 months ago, we were about $3,900, and I started doing videos and showing y'all the account growth, and we're all the way up to $8,354 today. So that's amazing. So I think I done a video like last week. We're at 7,300, so we're up $1,000 since then. So that's pretty much it. That's going to be the breakdown. It was $576.03 today on January the 23rd was the profits, and I hope y'all have had a green week in the markets. I hope y'all stay green this year, focus on consistency, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.